So here's how Freecash works to make money online. First of all, open up the Freecash application. Once you're in the app, you will get to see a lot of games that you can choose from. So scroll through the offers and options and select one that appeals to you. After that, tap on Play and Earn. Now go back and under Featured Surveys, select one. On this page, you can fill up surveys. Now go back again, and after that, tap on Rewards on the bottom bar. On this page, you will get to see multiple ways you can earn Freecash rewards, such as daily sign-ins and a special reward on the 7th day. Further down, there are more options to earn rewards. So just go through all the options and choose whichever one that you want to follow in order to make some money on the Freecash app.